hope you're well and having the most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new watching this video, please stick around and subscribe if you haven't already. I would absolutely love to hit 10,000 subscribers this year, and we are on our way to 9.7 thousand of you, which is absolutely insane. So if you haven't subscribed, please make sure you do. I do a lot of videos on Lush and crystals and beauty and lifestyle and vlogs and all that kind of good stuff, and I would absolutely love for you to join my corner of the internet. So yes, if you haven't subscribed, please make sure you do. In today's video, I'm going to be going through all 7 of the brand new bath bombs that Lush have released, 2 of which are ones that kind of got discontinued a few months ago and now they're back. I did buy them, obviously, so I could show you them in this video. So I have 7 bath bombs to go through. A lot of these are brand new to me. I will have the ingredients on my computer to kind of go through them with you. So if I'm looking down here, or down here, that'll be why. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to get yourself a snack or a drink. I've actually got a hot choc. It is in a festive cup and we are in January, so don't judge, it's just a nice big mug. But yeah, I'm gonna sit here, go through all these bath bombs. I hope you guys enjoy and carry on watching. So the first one that I'm gonna be going through today is the Black Rose Bath Bomb. Now, when this was originally released, I didn't really like the idea of it because it seemed very dusty, very messy, and I just had that horrible feeling that it would stain my bath. But I've bought the new one. I want to give it a try for you guys, and I'm just going to go through the ingredients. So let me open this up and I'll show you what it looks like first. So this is what she looks like. I really like the look of this. It very much reminds me of the Bath Art Bath Bomb from Halloween. It's kind of like a really dark bluey purple almost. I think it used to be red underneath. I could be wrong. Did it used to be like a red tinge or a pink tinge? Can't quite remember. But this is a black, if not very dark blue colour. Smells like rose jam or rose bombshell or that kind of vibe, like rosy cheeks face mask and all that kind of stuff. Smells beautiful. Ingredients wise in this one, we have got rose absolute, rose oil, geranium oil, lemon oil, and then you've got kind of all the other bits and pieces like the fizzy bits and all that kind of stuff. Very strong in rose, but it's not like an earthy garden rose, if that makes sense, because you guys know garden smells and me, we don't really tend to get on very well. I don't like the smell of dirt, do you know what I mean? But this just smells like a really sweet rose. It basically smells like rose jam, which I'm a big fan of, so this is the new one. Absolutely I'm in love with it, and I just cannot wait to use it. I am a little bit scared it's going to stain my bath, but we'll give it a go. Delish. The next bath bomb we have is the Luxe Bath Bomb. This one I absolutely love the colours of. I love purple and I love the turquoise and the pink. I just think it looks absolutely beautiful. In terms of ingredients for this one, we have got, let me have a look, rose absolute, jasmine absolute, ylang ylang, vanilla, sandalwood, cold pressed buchi oil, I think that's how you pronounce it, and then loads of other bits and pieces. So let's give it a smell and see what this one smells like. Oh, this one smells like incense to me. It smells very incensey. Really good though. Very strong in jasmine for sure. It's got like that undertone of, you know, the Godiva shampoo bar, that really strong like jasmine smell. But it's got a very sweet kind of overlay to it as well. That's really lovely. I cannot wait to give this one a go. It has beautiful sparkles all over it, and I can't even imagine what the water's going to look like. So yeah, very excited to try that for sure. The next new bath bomb is not really a new bath bomb, but it is a repeat, a return, and an absolute classic. That is the Experimenter. Now, before I even smell this, the smell of this reminds me of when I first started working for Lush, when the Lush Oxford Street store opened, and me and my friend Flo, we went for the day, we went for the opening, and it was amazing. And this is the smell that reminds me of that. I'm gonna have to smell it before I go through the ingredients. Oh, it smells, do you know what, it's weird because the smell of this, if I was to describe it, it doesn't sound like a smell that I would enjoy, but it's just so nostalgic that I now absolutely love it. Does that make sense? Very woodsy, very earthy, very deep smell. Really good. Really good. Smells amazing. Ingredients wise, this one has popping candy, vetiver oil, vanilla absolute, and then it just says kind of perfume, so I'm not really sure what else is in the scent, but it smells very woodsy, very earthy, quite a deep, incensey, like if I was to imagine what a crystal shop should smell like, this is how I picture it. Does anyone else know what I mean? Smells beautiful. Obsessed with that, honestly. 10 out of 10, love it. So the next bath bomb is the Lakes bath bomb. This is a beautiful green with a sort of splash of pink. I absolutely love the look of this one. In terms of smell, to me it smells like Avo Bath with a bit of a twist, but ingredients wise it has, I'm going to pronounce all these words wrong so I do apologise, but labdanum resinoid, osmanthus absolute, myrrh resinoid, Siberian fir needle oil, water, cream of tartar and all of the bits. This one to me smells definitely like Avo Bath. It smells like lemongrass, which I am really surprised there is no lemongrass in this. I guess it's the fir needle oil maybe that is making it smell very lemongrassy, but it smells like Avo Bath with a bit of a twist, with a bit of a, like if Avo Bath could have like an older sister. You know, she's edgy, she wears crystals, you know, that's what she would smell like, if that makes any sense whatsoever. But that is delish. I love that. Absolutely amazing. The next bath bomb is Diamond Dust, and this one is absolutely beautiful. I love the look of this. I feel like this is me in a bath bomb. I absolutely love it. It's a pink and yellow and like nudie pinky, like rose gold sparkly bath bomb, and I absolutely love this. Scent wise though, I feel like the scent is not as it's not accurate to the way it looks, if that makes sense. You'd look at this personally and either think maybe really floral or really, really sweet. This one again, I would have to say all of the new bath bombs have a very similar like incensey smell to them, and I don't know what that is, if that's an ingredient they've put in there or what, I'm not too sure. But ingredients wise for this one, you have got cream of tartar, ylang ylang, neroli oil, black pepper oil, sandalwood oil, vetiver oil, soybean flour, and then loads of other bits. But again, it just smells very incensey, a little bit earthy, not gonna lie, like a sweet incense. Again, like a crystal shop, do you know what I mean? I don't know. I feel like my nose is broken, but it smells like incense to me. Very light, very sweet, but incensey, you know? It is really good though. Absolutely stunning. Love the colour, love the sparkle. Delicious. The next bath bomb is one that has returned from the dark side, like the Experimenter, and that is Think Pink. Now this bath bomb is again such a nostalgic product for me. When I first started working for Lush, it was the same size as Butterball, so absolutely tiny. It had 3 flowers in it that would always fall out, and the smell has not changed, which I absolutely love because I love the smell of Think Pink. So sweet, fruity, really bubblegummy. Like if I had to imagine what princess bubblegum would smell like, it's probably this. Do you know what I mean? Does anybody watch Adventure Time? I used to, I haven't watched it in years, but that's definitely what she would smell like, if that makes any sense. Ingredients wise in this one, we have got lavender oil, vanilla absolute, neroli oil, cream of tartar, and then obviously all the fizzing agents and stuff like that. If I'm being honest, it doesn't smell like lavender to me. The vanilla and the lavender make a beautiful combo, and it just smells heavenly. Absolutely delish. I love this one. I think it's beautiful, and it has silver glitter all over and inside, and it's absolutely delicious. It's stunning. You need this one. If you haven't tried it and you like pink and sparkles, this is the one for you. And last but definitely not least of the new bath bomb releases from Lush as of right now, I believe, apart from Valentine's Day, and obviously Mother's Day is upcoming, but you guys know what I mean. And that is the Unicorn Poop Bath Bomb. Now, before I say anything, I hate the name of this. I think Unicorn Poop is such a, I don't want to say a childish name, but do you guys know what I mean? Like, I would have called this Unicorn Horn if the bubble bar didn't exist, or Unicorn Swirl or something, I don't know. But let's smell it. Let's see what it smells like. Scent wise, this one has a really beautiful smell, very light, very clean, very fresh, but also again that very deep woodsy smell. Ingredients wise, this one has bergamot oil, Davana oil, jasmine absolute, ylang ylang oil, cream of tartar, calamine powder. It has a very nice smell to it. It's not overpowering, it's not too in your face, if you know what I mean. but it does smell really, really good. I do really, really like the look of this. I think I'm just being a little bit of a moaning myrtle about the name. I don't know, it's just not my favourite, I will have to say, but I'm really excited to give this a try. I've not tried it in the water yet, I've not seen it in the water yet, so I'm really excited to give this a go, and obviously we'll let you guys know what I think. So I'm now just going to go through all the prices because I realised I didn't do that when I went through them individually, so I'm just going to go through them now so you guys know how much they are. So Black Rose is £6, the Luxe Bath Bomb is £7, the Experimenter is £6.50, and the Lakes Bath Bomb is £5.50. Diamond Dust is also £5.50, Think Pink is £6.50, and Unicorn Poop is £6. So if you wanted to buy every single one of these new bath bombs, the grand total is £46, which is quite a lot of money, I'm very well aware, but obviously I wanted to do this video for you, and I was incredibly lucky that Ryan's mum bought me most of these for my Christmas presents, which was really, really kind. So yeah, £46 if you want to buy them all, but I wouldn't necessarily say you need them all because the smells are very different and very similar, if that makes any sense. I'm rambling on, but yeah, treat yourself, why not? So that is everything for this video. I really hope you guys did enjoy. I would love to know down below if you've tried any of these so far, and I would also love to know what your favourites are because I'm really, really curious. And I think just from the get-go, I do think that, oh, I'd have to say probably the Unicorn Poop one's probably going to be my favourite simply because of the smell, but I think I'm going to like them all, to be honest. Let's be real. I don't really not like much from Lush, if that makes sense. Was that English? I don't think so. But anyway, that is everything. I really hope you guys did enjoy this video. I love you guys so incredibly much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.